Sir, Aski, sir.
Okay, okay.
Thanks a lot, sir. I think it's been a really good experience that I've got to know a lot of new things. Like it's been a great starter for us, and I must thank Sendil sir for also taking up it on a very fast basis. Like it was a very what do I say? It wasn't that easy to request him. Like I really didn't expect it would happen this fast, sir. So thanks a lot for that, and thanks a lot Thangavelu sir also.
You faced
coordinating the
tough
session.
teachers, Sri Devi and Professor Srinivasan. And came out successfully.
So they all
And
give a
Srinivasan
bad name
sir
to
and
me,
Sridevi
but they
ma'am.
appreciate later that I have never been tough.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Full screen. We want to have it a full screen, sir.
Yeah, full screen.
Okay. Just there's a 3-year-old girl brought for not walking and has some deformities. The arrows has been displaced because, so we just find out, identify 4 clinical finding. Prashant, or even ask someone else
Yes,
to.
sir.
Sir,
Clinical findings.
We'll ask someone else.
Shridhan will do it,
Yeah,
sir.
you have done. We'll ask somebody
Yeah.
else.
Sir,
Shridhan
good
will do
morning,
it,
sir.
sir.
You can
Yeah,
add
yeah.
later on.
Good
Now it has
afternoon,
become
sir.
evening, pa. Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
in the second image, I can see there is wrist widening, sir.
Very good.
And,
Widening of the wrist. Okay, very
and,
good.
And also, I can see there are bow legs.
Very good. Bow legs.
And,
Okay.
And there is also double malleoli.
Yeah, double malleus you can only feel and say, but same thing. Okay.
And
It's
you can.
widening of the bones at the ankle level. Okay. Of course, double malleoli you have to feel and identify. You can't see by inspection and say. Is it not? Yes, sir, Sridevi? Double malleus generally is felt.
Yeah, okay, sir.
It is a felt, sir, only.
Yeah. What about this one?
Sir, and there are Harrison sulcus, I suppose, sir.
Okay.
Rachitic rosary is also bleeding. Is also
this is a
present.
rackety rosary. Generally, enlargement of the costochondral junctions. If you run from the nipple, it runs parallel to the costal margins. You are supposed to see from sides. It will be better visible either on the foot end or from the side end. So this is the costochondral bleeding, parallel to the costal margins running from the nipple. So all these features suggest what's the diagnosis?
Rickets.
Widened bony ends, the wrist, ankle, bow legs, rickety rosary, Harrison sulcus. Can you tell me some more findings in rickets? What other finding you will expect?
So, in case of skull, we can find softening of cranial bones, craniotabes, and frontal bossing may be there, and loss of closure of fontanelles may be there, and there can be a protuberant abdomen, so visceroptosis may be there.
Okay, good.
And we must look for the spine whether there is any kyphosis or scoliosis, and knock knees may be also present, sir.
3-year-old girl, what will you look in the mouth?
What else? Other findings?
So the dentation will be delayed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what about this thing, the skull appearance?
For a description, what is being described as?
Frontal bossing.
Frontal parietal bossing, all put together.
Hey, what does it indicate? If the child is having frontoparietal bossing, what does it indicate? Early onset, okay? Because
improper fusion, sir.
Yeah, the early onset, because the child is having rapid head circumference increment in the first 6 months. So then only the chest expansion with lung functioning. So you'll find later the Harrison sulcus. Then of course the hand widening of the wrist will be there, and then malleolus when the child starts walking. So it is in that sequence. So from the findings you can find out. So if the child is having the caput quadratum, that means early onset. So what is the early sign of rickets in infant, early 3 months? What is that called? In a preterm child it's normal, but what is that called? In the skull you will do something. What feeling you will get?
You just mentioned, you just started with it. Skull, when you palpate, what feeling you will have?
So softening of the cranial bones.
Ping pong ball like feeling. Which,
yes, sir.
Which may be
like open ping pong, it will be this thing. So, yes. Somebody has mentioned already. Answer: ping ball
Ping
consistent.
pong ball. Okay.
Hot open appearance. From Trichy, yes.
Look at the wrist and say.
So here there is towards the end of the radius and ulna, it is concave, sir. So there is cupping.
No, you just there are
SH.
colored arrows. You just explain each colored arrow. What does blue indicates? What does yellow indicates? What does orange indicates?
So the blue indicates that there is a widened distance between the ends of the radius and ulna and the metacarpals due to uncalcified osteoids, sir.
Okay. Generally, it's a gap between the metaphysis and epiphysis. Epiphysis is not appeared, so that's why you put an arrow between the carpal bones. Otherwise, the gap widening is due to the gap between the metaphysis and physis, epiphysis. Metaphysis and epiphysis. Okay. Then yellow arrow.
So there is concavity.
Called cupping. Cupping. Okay. Cupping. Cupping. Then what else? Widening of the physis.
And it is not continuous, sir. So there may be.
It's called fraying. Normally, the bones will be very smooth like this. There is a fraying, cupping, fraying of the metaphyseal ends. Normally, it will be a smooth one, like what you see here, no? The smooth margins. Here it is fraying. It's called cupping, fraying, and widening of the physis. These three are considered as features of rickets. And also, you can see that the bone density is reduced. Okay, now you can see this is in October 2017, classical features are cupping, fraying, widening. It is taken after 3-month child is taken vitamin D. Now there is a line is formed. What is the line called? Proximal zone of calcification. That is indicative that rickets is healing with the vitamin D therapy. And by April, you can see it's completely healed. Are you able to appreciate
Also,
that?
3 carpal bones have appeared. See, from 2 carpal bones, the 3rd carpal bone also has appeared.
So this, you see the normal bony ends, metaphyseal bony ends are well formed. No fraying at all. Very clear margins. Clear margin means the density has improved from this to this. So that means child has improved the vitamin D therapy, which is a vitamin D deficiency rickets. All the signs have disappeared. You see the epiphysis appeared. And the gap between epiphysis and metaphysis is very thin. That's called a growth plate. Plate is always thinner. So this is the healing rickets. Okay, what about this? We have another. This is a spotter. Tell the findings. I will discuss about this. Look at this. This is a 2-year-old child. Weight around 6.87 kg. What are the findings you appreciate here? The spotter.
So here we can see that child is sitting in tripod fashion. I mean, like supporting. And
what is the gluteal region is appears normal gluteal fold or?
No, sir. There is wasting, sir.
Baggy pant appearance. Okay. What about the hand of the mother? What do you see here? See, probably easily pluckable hair. Pluckable hair and edema legs also there. Sir, one question, sir. You can ask them one question, sir.
This child?
You can ask a question regard to this spotter.
Yeah, please. He is describing what is it you mentioned. Then what about the hand? What does the hand show?
But why it is shiny, doctor?
The child having pallor of the abdomen, you can see pallor of the face, pallor of the abdomen, and even this thing, there is pigmentary changes. Okay, here what is there? Tell me, what do you think? Why do you think we have shown the hand in this case? Who is answering?
Sir, Shidin, sir.
Yeah.
See,
I'm not
specifically
sure,
one photograph is allotted to the hand. Is it for dermatoglyphics or Jadagam, something else?
Adult hand. What do you see there? You just look at it.
So there are easily pluckable hair, I guess. The baby has, there are some hair.
Even here you can see the child is having alternate in the fold, you find some hyperpigmentation is there. The child in malnutrition is also having hyperpigmentation and pallor. So what should be coming to your mind?
So Sam, severe acute malnutrition, sir.
Yeah, good.
Is it?
Doctor, if you are asked to demonstrate easily pluckable hair, how can you do it? How are you supposed to do it? You are supposed to comb the hair and show that lot of hair are there in the comb. You are not supposed to pluck and show that there is easily pluckable hair. Okay, if they asked to
ma'am.
demonstrate, you should comb
Then
the
they
hair.
will pluck you in the examination that you created the pain for the child.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
this is how you demonstrate.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir, explain the hand to them, Dr. Tangivela.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, explain what you have shown.
Yeah, that's it, sir. It is not the right word. Easily falling hair.
So in this child, we must also try to rule out whenever there is hyperpigmentation as well as hyperpigmentation, we must try to rule out megaloblastic anemia and B12 deficiency in addition. Okay, yes. Because dimorphic anemia is very common in malnutrition child. Yes, sir. Next one.
That's all, sir. Finished, sir.
To
ask you
only
on,
two.
To ask in on spotter.
Okay.
Finish that. What? Sridevi, anything else you want to tell them?
No, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you very
Srinivasan sir,
much
Sridevi.
for giving me the
Thank you, sir.
opportunity to
Thank
join
you
Thank
for
you,
the
Prashant.
opportunities.
Thank you, Prashant.
Whenever we join you, we learn a
Thank
lot.
you so much, sir. In fact, it's we students have learnt a lot from you people, sir. So it's a great initiative. Thanks a lot, sir, for being there.
I think your teacher has taught you well, I think, in Madras Medical College. Because whatever the word appreciation came from Srinivasan sir is age-appropriate milestones and the way you presented differently.
It's none other than my RMO Srinivasan sir again, sir. He has been a professor.
So that attitude is very important. In the examination, whatever be the type of listening questions, you should not get ruffled. So keep your balance, and then the way you are answering so calmly, that's very important. So you are having the proper attitude to face the examiner. Good.
So on behalf of all
Thank
the
you,
students, I thank Chendil, Suresh Balan, Rajendran, and Tirumurugan, and both the professors, Srinivasan sir
I
and
also
Sridevi.
express along with
Thank you,
Tangivelu my thanks to Tangivelu and all of you for giving me this opportunity, because it's one of the most important project I always like, interacting with undergraduates and postgraduates.
Okay, sir. Thanks for the nice words, sir. And the feedback from the students will help us a lot to improvise and to reach the students in a further, to take it to the next level. And we'll do whatever is possible. I think I request everyone's, especially Dr. Sridevi and all. I want to contact all the medical colleges, the HODs and other
Appreciate and congratulate your efforts to introduce this educational program, which already has been done in other places like Gujarat, Bangalore, and all. Yeah.
UG, sir? UG, sir, or PG?
Yeah. UG and PG.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
We'll get the feedback and we'll do. I think we can ask the students. I think we'll have it on every Saturday.
Yes,
Day
sir.
and timing, you just tell them what is the
Some other students' feedback also we can get it.
Well done, Prashant.
Thank you so much, sir.
So on behalf of IAP TNSC, I thank Dr. Thangavel sir, who has taken initiative to conduct this wonderful program. And I thank Dr. Srinivasan sir, who is a senior professor, retired senior professor from JIPMER. And I thank Dr. Sridevi. I thank our President, Dr. Aram Sendil, Dr. Suresh Balan. More than that, I thank Prashant today, hero. I think he has presented nicely. I think it is a wonderful presentation for your level. And I thank all the students, and I thank Thirumurugan who has taken initiative for webinar as well as for conduct this wonderful program. Okay, thank you, one and all. Thank you.
We'll get the feedback on. I think we can continue the same day at timings. Everything is okay. I request some other students to come. I think if this time is okay, we'll have this slot every Saturday. Is it okay?
Yeah. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. All the best.
Students can give the feedback.
All the best, Prashant.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sridevi.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
all of
Thank you, Thangavelu sir. Thank you, Dr. Sridevi.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot to everyone, sir.
Prashant, I think we'll have it on Saturday the same time.
Yes,
Someone-
sir. Sure, sir.
You get what are your friends saying?
Yes, sir. Because in the morning time we have classes, this would be the only way out, sir. So
So we'll
Saturday
have it
this time would be great.
it's ideal.
Yes, sir. It's ideal.
Completely once is okay for you.
Yes, sir. It'll be perfect.
I've just taken some video from the net for how to elicit the Nija Gandal. You would like to see that? 1 minute before
Yeah,
closing. I just
Thirumurugan?
I'll show some videos. 1 minute.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute. We'll
Just a
stop
minute.
this. We'll stop this live from YouTube, and then we'll go ahead.
Stopped it, no?
No, sir. We are not stopped. Dr. Thirumurugan, is he online?
I just worried whether we have some issues. We have taken the videos from the net. But let's show some pictures. This is the picture of
Just a minute, sir.
ATNR. You can see this is warrior posture ATNR.
We don't get the screen, sir.
So screen is, okay, I'll have to share the screen. Visible? Screen is visible? Or? Screen is visible, Prashant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
My screen, okay. Sir, I took some pictures from the Piyush Gupta book, all this, how to train the babies with cerebral palsy. This is a special customized chair where they can sit, and there is a spike here which will separate both the thighs. And then they will also have a laptop, like a table here, so that it will be easier for the mother to feed the child rather than keeping the child down and feeding. This is the right method of feeding. And then using this parallel bars sitting in the toilet, it will aid in walking in the baby. These are all called as mobility assist devices for children with cerebral palsy. This is a splint to prevent contractures. This one, a baby feeding a child in the lying down position may be more harmful. Here, baby will have a straight look, and then baby can sit and eat. Will be this tables will be helpful for the baby, and there's also foot rest is there. All these specialized chairs will be helpful for the baby to enjoy the posture at home. These are all the special devices for eating, brushing, pencils. You see the pencil, how they cannot hold a pencil because of the poor finger coordination. They can hold the pencil like this. They all found out devices to use the laptops holding the pen. So this is not the right method of feeding a child in the lying down position. Baby has to sit in front of mother's lap and do that. So even the first look, you can identify this child has got a small head. So even before measuring, you can guess the baby's head is smaller. This is a larger head. Here you can see the way the baby hold the right hand is not good. But this is probably the baby has a left hemi or monoplegia. This is a classical scissoring. When you lift the baby, vertical suspension. Classical scissoring indicative of adductor tone increase. So Supistonic posture. This is a windswept deformity. As if the tree is bent according to the wind. Both the deformities here, normally the bow legs and knock knees, they'll be symmetrical. They will go in different direction. Here, both the deformity, the limb deformity goes in the same direction, indicative of prolonged stage of bedridden stage. This is actually a video. I just cut it to avoid the expose the face. This child has got a hemiplegic posture. You see that when he's about to run, he developed the classical hemiplegic posture. This is the fisting. The child had a post-traumatic hemiplegia. See, this is a normal right arm. You can see the left arm showing the classical fisting. Can you play the video, or the YouTube is going on? No, it's not masked. Sindil?
I think I've told Thirumurugan, you're online. Thirumurugan?
This is just how to elicit the knee jerk. It was a video. I just took a snap out of it. See, support the knees. Knees are partly flexed and supported, and you strike at the patellar tendon. Here again, there is a slight abduction of the thigh, flexion at the knee, and dorsiflexion of the ankle, and strike the tendinoculus tendon for the ankle jerk. See, when you do the clonus, most of the time, you are not supposed to support the leg, because when you hold here, you will restrict the movement caused by the clonus. So he is ideally holding the knees, not on the leg. If you hold the leg and do the elicit the clonus will be restricted. So I will not play the video then, Chandil. Okay, sorry.
Now you can do it, sir.
Okay, this is what the clonus.
So now you can do it. Now you can play the video, sir.
Yeah, it's already played even before. So holding like this, and then suddenly make a any jerk more than 3 is considered as abnormal. Clonus indicative of spasticity. This is how you elicit the plantar reflex. Of course, with a stick or a key. It's from adult. Lateral margin coming up to the base of the toe is a normal flexion response. Flexion response. So this is it's a good video, but they use a very sharp object. That sharp object should not be used. You can see the extensor response, but you are not supposed to use a sharp object. You can use a key or even a pen. You can be used. Thank you. Thank you. I completed the video. Thank you very much. Thank you. Shall we close the session, Chandil?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for taking the pains. And
Thank you. It's not a pain. It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sridevi.
You have to spare your time. You have to spare your time and energy.
Probably next week, Professor Srinivasan or Professor, you can tell your convenient timing.
Yeah, we'll have it at the same time, sir. We'll have it at the same time.
For their convenience, which week they are going to take, Sridevi. I will find out from them and let you know, Chandil.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prashant. Thank you.
Thanks to one and all.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks to all the students who have come over. Thank you.